Hey guys, back here with another video. Now it's been a long time since I've posted a video. Like last one I think I was playing like for the facility. But today I'm playing Bloxburg and I'm gonna show you guys top 3 best jobs in Bloxburg to make most money and get levels so faster. So I'm gonna load in my house and I've been using it, I've been upgrading it. And I have like $698 left, but let it all load. This is my house. And there we go. And now this is the inside. Guitar. I'm at like a level 4. And computer. And I could customize my character with that. So yeah, this is my house. But I'm going to show you guys top 3 best jobs that you could do to get money. Now the first one's going to be the burger place. The burger place, at first it gives you like $36, but then once you like upgrade, soon it'll be like $100. But I don't use a burger place that much. Usually I'm delivery. But, burger place is good. So I'm gonna get over there. And this is the burger place. Right, so then you just do this and keep on doing that. And so the amount of money I got was $12. What? Okay, so this guy, he wants double burger, this. $25. So as much money you get, you keep on getting money. It's $37. Like that. Alright, so this is a good place to get money. So the next place is I think it was the fisherman job. Yeah, the next place is the fisherman job, and all you do is just stand there and cast until the bobber goes down. Now this is a pretty easy job because you don't have to do anything or click or move around. So I think I'm like a level 8 on this one. We'll see. Hold up. Yeah, I'm a level 5, not a level 8. And then you pull, and then if you're like a level 5, you get like $23. So that, and I got $23. So the next and last job, I'm not fully maxed out. I'll never be fully maxed out. But I'm a level 10, so I get like $100 each. So the delivery place, the delivery job, and let's see. Alright, so this job, and then once you're at a level 10, you get $148 every time you like give a pizza. So yeah, those are all the good jobs that are so far. And then you can be a mechanic, whatever job you feel like being to earn your money. Personally, I choose that. But if you guys want to play Bloxburg with me, tell me your username and I will follow you. And I said follow because you can join me if I follow you. If you follow me, you can't join me. But soon I'll make it to the point to where people who do follow me can join me. And yeah. So yeah, that was the video, guys. Bye.